on technology in 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go, qualification match number 44 over here on the technology field. Immediately Rock for your Red Alliance. They're going to drop off a red specimen onto the high chamber. Looks like we have both Rock Rock's in your Blue Alliance. That's Low Ellen Edit Robotics. They got a very similar auto, and their number is one different. And you can see they are kind of matching each other in this auto, like specimen for specimen. Low Ellen does drop their one sample or specimen, but we do get all of them out of Rock. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance did get 3 neutral samples up high. It looks like Blue got also 2 as auto expires.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, the only difference in these teams right now is quite literally that specimen that was placed by Rock towards the end of the autonomous period. Red's gonna have to do a little bit to catch back up, but Rock is currently not moving. So right now we got a 2-on-1 situation. Low Ellen Robotics is making sure they can keep going. They're not slowing down at all, grabbing a bunch of those red samples from the middle of the submersible. Rock back to life. Let's see if that will be what the Red Alliance needed, as they do flip the unofficial score in favor of the Red Alliance with a placement high into the basket of a neutral sample, courtesy of Drive Gears, team number 20261. Low Ellen Robotics keeps bringing red samples over to their observation zone. Their human player is counting out loud how many specimens they have. You can hear it from here. It's a good strategy. You can always see different teams using different strategies as they move along. Meanwhile, for your Blue Alliance, team number 27344 seems to be having a bit of an issue grabbing a blue sample out of the submersible. They've got their arm in there. They're like kind of moving around a little bit. They are also blocking the red rungs. I'll have to see what happens about that. You can see that Low Ellen Robotics is trying to move them out of the way, but they will not move. They're just stuck there, not moving, as these teams are trying to go score. Maybe that's what the Blue Alliance needs and Rock needs, as they go place another specimen up high for your Blue Alliance. In fact, it looks like that collision or whatever it is that happened between our friends Untitled and Low Ellen Robotics actually disabled whatever Low Ellen's robot was doing. Their lights are still on, but nobody's home. They're not moving right now. That means our Blue Alliance has some room to make up the score they lost, and indeed they will, as they place another specimen and tie the game right now in our endgame period. You can see things moving around. Looks like, oh, Low Ellen Robotics is back to life. Here they come, dropping off a specimen for your Red Alliance on that high chamber. Blue Alliance, Rock trying to make a sense of it. We got collisions of robots, final flurry of motion. We're in our last couple seconds, and the score only shows a 2-point difference. We got one more specimen placed for your Red Alliance. There goes a climb for your Blue Alliance. Can we get anything else? No, Low Ellen drops it. We do get one final basket placement as time expires. Can't tell what's going on with that score. That was such a close match all the way through. We had a couple of robots die and come back to life. It's going to go to your Red Alliance. Take that one home. Final score of 252 to 204. 30 points of fouls did help the Red Alliance score, but it was not the difference maker. Red Alliance will be taking that one home, which leaves team number 16413, Low Ellen Robotics.